Hey guys, Taylor Brown here with String Fairy. In this video, I just want to announce to you guys that I have finally created an Instagram account at string_fairy. On this account, I've been uploading several renders, all from my upcoming Abstract Shader package that will be released in a few months. And in this package, you can see that we get all these beautiful results from the 250 textures that will be included in the package, all procedural. And we can create wood, crushed velvet, these abstract clouds, this computer material, and even like this Lego type block material, and this rock. All sorts of things. And this is why I have not been uploading recently, because I've been so busy working on this new package. Now, as for other announcements, I also have a Twitter account at TB_stringfairy. And you can see that account right here. Oh, by the way, you can also get involved with the Blender artist thread about my package right here. I'll link this in the description below as well. And I also will be releasing the Fight Club sub-tutorial soon, but I wanted to get a few small videos out of the way first. And with the announcements out of the way, I want to wish you guys a great time with Blender 2.8.